So you know how you've been hearing about fidget spinners and all? Look what we got. We got fidget spinners that light up. Me and Dallas got pink. No, Chubby Gamer got pink. I got pink, and Fidget Destroyer got black. So yeah, let's go see him. Hey, Fidget Destroyer, tell your friends you got a fidget spinner. We got a light up fidget spinner. We just got them today, so. And we're gonna make a little adventure with them, so let's find out. Yeah. So yeah, we got fidget spinners, and let's go make a little adventure outside. So we're gonna make a video about these magical things, which are going to be the fidget spinners. So let's do this.
And we left them last one.
Yeah.
Sneaking in our garden.
Oh, that's mine.
Oh, here. You scared me.
Okay, so yeah. We're going to pretend these are magical gems that we found.
Yes, and we found some whips to go with them.
So yeah.
Remember taking
Woo! 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 This girl trying to get me.
Yeah.
So yeah.
Yeah, we found some whip and stuff. We found our sorts of weapons.
But not that many, so.
Not the, but we just need a lot more weapons to do.
Hey, get me some for me. Lay some for you, bro.
Auntie said I could have some too.
Let's go find them. Ooh, Dallas, what's that in the grass? I see something. Fidget spinner.